Okay guys, here we are with the plans. I wanted to show you what we're doing here. The green lines show the original structure, and the black boxes are the additions that we're going to be adding to the home. Let's scroll down here. Now here's what the plans look like. Over here, this is the garage and the mother-in-law suite, and on the back corner is the new master bedroom suite. So let's zoom in a little bit and see if we can't take a look at these a little bit closer. My parents, and this is the number one reason why I am doing the addition, as my parents are getting older. My dad's 86 years old, and they're going to be needing some additional care as time goes on. So I want to bring them into the house. I don't want them in a nursing home or anything like that. They took their entire lives to raise me. They're still raising me, and I want to be able to give back to them and make sure that they don't end up in a home. So this is their living area. We're going to put a little kitchenette here, a little dining area, and then their living room. We added a doorway from the bedroom and also from the living area so that when they have guests come over, they don't have to go all the way through the entire house to come and use the restroom. Now, my parents' house was built in the 60s, so their bedroom is, I don't know, like 12 by 13. That's the master. It's not very big, so I want them to have a little bit of elbow room in this new space for them. So they have a giant closet. My mom and dad don't share the master closet because it's so small. One of them has their clothes down the hall and in what I guess is technically the coat closet. So that will no longer be the case. And then we made this a master shower large enough that you could get a wheelchair in there, or a shower chair, plenty of room to maneuver around in there as they continue to age. That's kind of the idea about that space. And then over here on the other side of the house, currently, or well, not anymore because the demo's gone. We've gotten pretty far in the demo. There used to be 2 bathrooms right here in this space. We're going to make the hallway into the master suite, and then we enlarged this bathroom to just make it a nice big bathroom. I got 6 kids, technically 5, one on the way. I want them to be able to go in there in pairs or threes and get ready for bed so that they're on time and able to get a good night's rest for school. And then back here, we have this was our existing master bedroom and closet, and we kind of upgraded that as well, giving us more space in the closet and in the room. Also, you might think that these are 2 toilets. However, that's not the case. One of these is a toilet and the other one is going to be a bidet. I lived in Spain for a couple years, and I am fond of the bidet. So if you haven't tried it out, I think you should. And then in the master shower, I believe in having enough space for 2 people. We're going to have 2, I might try to sneak in a 3rd shower head. I don't know if you guys think I should or not, but let me know if you do. But I definitely, I don't like to be cold when I'm in the shower. So I need steam coming at me from various directions. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing there. Again, you've seen on the video that this is now one big giant area. We're going to have a big island here. We're going to have, I don't think these are going to be counter cabinets, even though that's what it says. We're going to do a pantry style. So a drywall and frame pantry style. Unless you guys think that I should put cabinets, I don't know. I'm open to some ideas there. It's not set in stone yet, so let me know what you guys think. Let's go down here now, go down a couple pages, and let's see what the elevations look like. So here we have the back elevation. I made sure to add this peak right here. I don't believe in flat roofs. That was another option that the engineer gave us. But I said, no, I definitely need to have a bit of a pitch. We get a lot of rain here in Florida, so that's very important to me. As you can see, lots of windows. Now this elevation is from the mother-in-law suite garage side. Oops, sorry about that. And now this is the front elevation. I believe I asked the truss engineer to push this peak up just a little bit more to make it look, I think it'll look more natural by pushing this up a bit. And then right here, I don't think I'm going to do hardy board. I think that'll look bad. This is all block, so I don't know if I should block this or if I should use 4x8 sheets of hardy board. I don't think I'm going to do the lap siding because I just don't think it'll look right for the house nor for the neighborhood. I'd love to hear your opinions on that. And then lastly, this is the view from the other side of the house here. So it looks a little bit more convoluted. This is the original, this is the new roof coming on, and then this is going to be the addition. And all of these are going to be vaulted ceilings. It is an older, smaller structure, and the vaulted ceilings make a big difference in making the home feel spacious enough. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can hit the bell if you're watching this on YouTube, so it'll notify you when the remodel update videos are happening. And as always, I enjoy the comments and look forward to them. Take care. Have a great day.